Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to have a quick chat with you about this common dream thing that many of us experience in our dreams. Have you ever had a dream in which someone or something was chasing you? Well, I had many of those and let me tell you. In a nutshell, when someone or something is chasing you in a dream, this is a way in which your subconscious mind communicates to you that you have some sort of fear of something or someone. And let me share with you a specific situation in my own life and how it was presented to me in my dreams. Okay, so at my job at work, after a project ends, we usually are assigned to a new project. But when you are assigned to a new project, usually you also work with other people and teams. Rarely it happens that you work with the same people from the previous project. Anyways, so I had to be part of this team in which there was a female coworker with whom I've never worked before. And she was super picky. I mean, although it was not her job at all to correct people, she always had something to say about the work or reports done by the team members of the project, except her own, of course. So I started to develop some real resentment towards her. But you see, in the past, I was that type of person who was not voicing the things that bothered me, and I just kept quiet. And day by day, as my resentment and fear to voice that problem grew, I started to have these weird dreams in which I was chased by some pirates. And I was so afraid of them, and I kept running in my dreams till I would fall from a roof of some kind. But although back then, you see, I was still writing my dreams down, I did not see the association between those dreams and my work life. So I got this dream with the pirates 3 times in a month. And whenever a dream repeats itself to you, you should definitely pay close attention to it. So in order to decode your dreams, what you have to do is to enter back in them and fix them. To do this, all you have to do is during the day, you have to find some time when you can meditate by yourself. And as you close your eyes, you just have to recall the dream, to remember it and to play it out in your imagination, okay? But because you are awake now, you can change the course of action of your dream. And what I did was to imagine myself back inside the dream. And I saw how these pirates were chasing me, but I was awake now. So in my imagination, I stopped and turned and faced the pirates. And when I turned to face them, well, to my surprise, there were no pirates. It was just my coworker. So I decided to tell her in my imagination the very fact that I hated the way she treated us. And I imagined how she apologized for that. Anyway, so practically what I did was to play in my imagination the solution after I found out that the pirates and the chase are nothing more but the fear and discomfort that I got in my job. And to my surprise, this was one of the first lessons that I got, that in the astral plane you actually are able to change physical circumstances. So the next week when I came back to work, to my surprise again, this woman was assigned by our superiors various things to do, and she was so occupied with her own job that had 0 time to start picking on people. And I was like, damn son, if I was able to change that, what else can I change? So the conclusion is, if you have a dream like mine related to a chase, please revisit it. in your imagination. Face the problem and see what that actual chase is all about. And also be surprised by how the reality will change its course because you fixed and faced your fears in the astral. But what I've seen is that if you face the fear in the astral plane, it will disappear in reality, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Anyway, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a fantastic day.